We want to shop!
Now, we've been coming to the Minneapolis Home Garden Show for over 20 years. We love this place because we get to interact with people. We get to touch and feel what the products are, get to show them. Every dollar we spend on this Home and Garden Show, I guarantee for sure we're getting back tenfold. Get down here. These buyers are serious. These people are not playing around. You're getting people that are serious buyers. Somebody that comes to the show, spends money, spends time.
Our favorite part is actually getting our product out to the people, because nobody has really seen what we build, what we can offer in the Twin Cities metro area. You know what? The way the traffic has been and all that, and to get more people in, yeah, I think they got us on the hook for another, probably a 2020 by next year or so.
Folks, if you haven't been part of a home show yet, you need to get your buns down here now.